Assalamu alaikum, Askanwi. Manla, Yusuf Taylor. My name is Yusuf Taylor for Askanwi Media, the editor for Askanwi Media. And today we have an update on the AKI lawsuit, which we covered yesterday, and we've published a breaking story yesterday after we covered the AKI trial, published on www.askanwi.com. Once again, my name is Yusuf Taylor. Follower. We've been following this AKI trial for over 3 years now, officially. It's now been over 3 years, and it's coming towards the end, Gambians. So stay with us. Don't miss any update, because we will be giving you the latest on the AKI trial. The next trial will be on Friday the 31st, when the trial will continue and proceed. This is the news update which we have, a very brief news update. Yesterday, 28 July 2026, the AKI trial, in which 27 bereaved parents have filed a lawsuit against the Gambia government and 2 pharmaceutical companies, proceeded with only the counsel for the plaintiffs filing their written submission for adoption. Both the defense and the plaintiffs were scheduled to move motions for the adoption of their final. Farage for the plaintiffs was present in court. Meanwhile, lawyers representing the defense were absent. Counsel Farage informed the court that she had attempted to contact her counterparts, including senior counsel Sheriff Tambedu. However, neither he nor the state counsel representing the Ministry of Health, Medicines Control Agency, MCA, and the Attorney General appeared in court or provided any explanation for their absence. The hearing was scheduled to begin at 12 noon, but it did not start until 2 p.m. due to another engagement involving Justice Jaite, who presided over the case. Now, a representative of the third defendant, the MCA, was present. However, representatives of the Ministry of Health and the Attorney General's chambers were absent. None of them were present either. A significant number of bereaved parents also attended the hearing. Counsel Farage then moved a motion for the court to adopt her written submission. She also explained that the defense had been ordered to file their written submission by 17 July 2026, but one of the counsels filed their written submission on 24th July 2026, just 4 days before the court. In response, when she got that, she filed the plaintiff's final written submission on the same day of 24th July 2026. She further informed the court that the defense has 7 days to respond to her submissions, with that deadline expiring on 31st July 2026. When Justice Jaite heard that, he adopted Counsel Farage's written submission and ruled that the defendants should move for the adoption of their briefs on 31st July 2026. 9:30 a.m. is when that trial will start. Justice Jaite further ruled that if the defendants fail to appear and move their application for adoption, the court will adopt their written submissions in their absence and proceed to deliver their final judgment after the court vacation. As we know, very soon the court will be going on vacation. Speaking to Askanwi Media, Counsel Farage highlighted that she would share her final written submission, which we requested from her, and when we receive that, we will bring some of those so people will have an understanding. The AKI trial is now nearing its conclusion, with the adoption of the parties' final arguments almost complete. The court is expected to deliver its judgment after the court vacation, bringing the 3-year trial to a close. The 27 bereaved parents are praying to the court to compel the state to declare that the children were killed by the tainted medicines manufactured by Made in Pharmaceuticals and imported into the country by Atlantic Pharmaceuticals, as well as failure of the state via the Ministry of Health and the MCA to ensure the safety of medicines in the country. In total, the bereaved parents are seeking damages to the tune of 15 million per child for pain, suffering, and death of each child. Now, this will come to a grand total of $405 million if the court agrees. Stay tuned to Askan Media. We will be covering the trial on Friday, and we will be bringing the Wolof version of the court report, which we've just done right now in English. Stay tuned to Askan. We've got a lot coming. Don't miss it.